Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance right from your pocket? Let's unlock the power of the Uniswap mobile app. First, make sure you have the Uniswap app downloaded from your app store. Once installed, open it up and you will be greeted with the sleek, user-friendly interface. To start swapping, you will need to connect a wallet. Tap the Connect Wallet button and select your preferred wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. Now for the fun part, swapping tokens. Tap the Select a Token fields in both the You Pay and You Receive section. Search for the tokens you want to trade. For example, let's swap some ETH for DAI. Enter the amount of ETH you want to swap. The app will automatically calculate the estimated amount of DAI you will receive. Review the transaction details carefully, paying attention to network fees and potential slippage. If you are feeling more adventurous, explore the liquidity pools. You can add liquidity to earn fees or remove liquidity to claim your token. Simply navigate to the pool section of the app to get started. Keep track of your DeFi journey, viewing your portfolio holdings and transaction history within the app. It is all there at your fingertips. And that is it. You have successfully navigated the Uniswap mobile app. Enjoy the freedom of decentralized trading on the go.